So today's recipe is a mackerel recipe, okay? Some fried mackerel with some pepper sauce. All right, this recipe tastes so delicious and so nice that I want you to try. So please don't go anywhere as we do it all the time. Sit back and let's get started. This is my clean mackerel and I'm creating some incisions on the mackerel. It's very important. If you want to know how I clean my mackerel, please, I have a video on that, so kindly click on my profile and go and watch that video on Fancy. Yes, that recipe is Fancy. So I'll use the spice to seasoning the fish. If you want to know how I do my all-purpose seasoning, please kindly click on my profile. I have a video on that. All right, so I'm using a grinder to grind. You can use electric grinder or anything. All right, so I'll be using my paper towel to pat dry this fish, okay, because I'm about to season it and I don't want it wet. So this is the all-purpose spice, and then this is my fish spice, curry powder, paprika, and some salt. Okay, I mix them together and then I'll sprinkle it on the fish and use my hand to massage it very well so that every spice can go wherever it's supposed to go. Okay, so that is what you see me doing. So I'll go ahead and cover with cling film till I'm ready to use it. The pepper sauce, I'll use this ingredient: tomatoes, habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, onions, and bell pepper. All right, so I'll go ahead and blend everything together. All right, so let's go blend it. I'll be back. So my blended vegetable is ready. So I already have my oil on the stove and it's hot, so I'll go ahead and then remove my fish one by one in the oil. Okay, so my stove is on a medium low heat because I don't want to mess up my kitchen. I just don't want any extra work at all. So now the fish is ready. Look at that, guys, look at that. So time to prepare the peppered sauce. I will use olive oil for this recipe. Please kindly go ahead and use your favorite oil as well. Okay, so I'll go in with my tomato paste. Okay, so I'll fry this tomato paste for about 5 minutes before I go in with my blended vegetable like pepper and everything that you saw me blending. Okay, so don't forget to cover your pot anytime you stir. All right, because you don't want to mess up your kitchen. I don't want to take chances at all. So today I'm just being so careful. So yes, as you can see, it is almost ready. So I'll go ahead and add the spices. So the all-purpose spice you saw me grinding, I added some, then I added curry powder, then some shrimp cube, and then I tasted, and then there isn't much salt, so I sprinkled some salt, and then that's all. So you go ahead and then apply your sauce on your fish. Okay, then you flip it to the other side and then you apply it as well, and guys, it is ready. This smells so amazing and it tastes so delicious. Guess what I paired this with? I paired it with my fancy king cake, guys. You can pair this with everything: rice, bangkun, fries like yam, everything goes with this. Try this recipe, it is so easy to try it and then thank me later. Okay, try it and thank me later. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.